Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, March 18th. Hope you guys had a great St. Patrick's Day yesterday. We've had such beautiful weather here in Southern California over this weekend, so it was quite a blessing we had here. Hey, to kind of move on here, we have actually just one economic data to report today, and that is the Home Builders Index. This is kind of the confidence level that we find from home builders, and it remains the same. So as you can see here, in February it was at 62 on the index, and in March remains the same thing, unchanged. So let's see how this is looking on the headline news. Stock market is up a little bit today, so it saw that, but it's also kind of looking ahead here. We got there's reports coming out that U.S.-China summit may be pushed. Initially, it looked like it was going to be pushed to April. Now they're hearing that it could be pushed all the way over to June now. So that's kind of in the news now. Investors are watching that. It's not a big concern because they think because even though they're hearing something, so what that basically tells them that they're still working on it. They didn't call off the talks or anything else. So things are at least still progressing in that avenue, which is a good sign for what they view as a good sign. And then we also got federal investigators are now kind of reviewing the 737 planes that have been the two that crashed with Boeing. So now we got some federal authorities getting in there and kind of doing their review of these planes and find out what the issues seem to be and how they can hopefully get it rectified. And then tomorrow will be the start of the Fed meetings. They'll have their two-day meetings that they have every 6 weeks, and tomorrow will be the beginning of that. And then Wednesday they'll give their announcement on that. And it's expected no rate change, but they're going to be looking towards the dot plot to see if there's any keys on the rate hike. So what they think is that they'll reduce it from, I think it was like 3 or 2 they're expecting this year, maybe down to 1 for this year and 1 next year. Even though there might not be a rate hike this year. If there might be any change in the rates, it could be, some people are feeling they could actually be the reverse. They may pull back and start cutting rates again. But I guess that time will remain. Again, time remains. We'll have to see how the economy moves and see how the Fed reacts to where the economy is at. Let's see how, speaking of such, let's take a look, see here where rates are going. We have the mortgage-backed securities here. We're down about 3 basis points, not enough to make any change from pricing on Friday, so mortgage rates remain the same. Treasuries were actually up a little bit. We went up to 2.60 basically right now, and so it did improve a little bit here on the yields, so yields went up slightly. So again, rates are about the same as where we left off on Friday, really no change. So anything, you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.